Welcome प्यारे बच्चों to my YouTube channel Aegis Mathematics. This is the lecture number 6 on derivative. In last lecture we discussed the derivative of a inverse trigonometric function and substitution method in finding derivative. When we will go for substitution method, when a function is given in form of a inverse trigonometric function, आमे जदि किसी उटे सब्स्टिट्यूशन अप्लाई करिकी से फंक्शन टाको सिंप्लीफाई करि पारचंती आ अगेन से जो सिंप्लीफिकेशन हबो सेटा ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक फार्मूला यूज करिकी. ओके, सो सिंप्लीफिकेशन हे गले हमको डेरिवेटिव काढिबा इजी हबो. ओके, सो टुडे वी विल लर्न वन मोर मेथड दैट इज लॉगरिथमिक डिफरेंशिएशन. तो लॉगरिथमिक डिफरेंशिएशन ले कोन होय कि हमें काहे के लॉगरिथमिक डिफरेंशिएशन यूज करबा. लेट्स सी व्हेन वी विल गो फॉर लॉगरिथमिक डिफरेंशिएशन. जत्तो बोले स्टूडेंट पचारले सर आम लॉगरिथमिक डिफरेंशिएशन केतोले यूज करबा जेतोले गुटे फंक्शन लो पावर फंक्शन थियो. लेट्स से वी आर हैविंग y is equal to x to the power sin x. x is a function and its power sin x is a function. जेतोले फंक्शन लो पावर फंक्शन थियो आउ सर केतोले अदर केस रे हम यूज कर परिबा. हम यूज करबा आ जेतोले बहुत गुडा फंक्शन मल्टीप्लाई हे कि थिबो बा डिवीजन हे थिबो. log केवल दीटा केस रे यूज होबो. when a function is represented as a power of another function and when a number of functions are multiplied or divided together. Okay, in these two cases only we are going to use logarithm. Okay, so let's see here. To find the derivative of a function of the form को फॉर्मेट रे थिबो फंक्शन f of x to the power e of x. that means गुटे फंक्शन एटी f of x रे फंक्शन आउ गुटे तार पावर फॉर्म हे कि थिबो g of x, where g of x and f of x both are differentiable. that means दी जनकर डेरिवेटिव एग्जिस्ट करथबो. ओके, and second case a function which is the product or quotient of a number of function. जेतले बहुत गुडा फंक्शन गुणी हे कि थिबो बा हरी हे कि थिबो, then only we will go for logarithmic differentiation. Clear? Idea is clear to everybody? So okay, let's proceed. तो एमिति फॉर्मेट रे फंक्शन गुडा थिले आमे लॉग नेले कोन होबो कि हमर इनिशियल फंक्शन सिंप्लीफाई हे जिवो. दैट्स द आइडिया और लॉजिक बिहाइंड टेकिंग लॉगरिथम. ओके, तो जतले आमे लॉग नै जिवो त हमर कोन हे जिवो ना डेरिवेटिव टा इजी हे जिवो. इट विल बी इजी टू टेक लॉगरिथम ऑफ द फंक्शन फर्स्ट देन डिफरेंशिएट. फर्स्ट आमे लॉग नै जिवा गिवन फंक्शन ले देन डिफरेंशिएट करले कोन होबो कि प्रोसेस टा इजी हे जिवो. दैट मींस डेरिवेटिव फाइंड आउट करबा इजी हे जिवो. ओके, एवरीबॉडी आर गेटिंग? ओके, लेट्स मूव. Here the question is, everybody observe. Question हमको कौन दिया है ची y is equal to sin x to the power cos x. एठी हम कौन ऑब्जर्व करचंती एटा गुटे फंक्शन. that means you can say variable and cos x is also a function of x. माने एठी कौन अछि को फॉर्मेट रे अछि फंक्शन लो पावर फंक्शन. एठी कौन अछि कि फंक्शन लो पावर फंक्शन अछि sin x to the power cos x. तो हमें बोथ साइड रे log नहीं जिबा. log means natural logarithm. that means to the base e. always remember this is to the base e. okay, this is called natural logarithm when base is e. तो बोथ साइड log नेले कोन ऑप्शन हबो. लेफ्ट साइड रे log y हे जिवो, राइट साइड रे log of we know log of a to the power b will be b log a. getting? So similarly here will be cos x into log sin x. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x. Remember one thing there, when log y is there we have to differentiate with respect to x because our target is to find dy by dx. okay, so कौन करा हबो एठी जेतोले हमर एटी फंक्शन y रे अछि बट डिफरेंशिएट करबा विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू x रे. केमति करबा तो एटी चेन रूल अप्लाई करा हबो. विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू y आगे करबा देन अगेन y को विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू x रे करबा. दिस इज चेन रूल वी नो. सो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ log y with respect to y, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ log x with respect to x how much 1 by x. so similarly 1 by y dy by dx. so this come from chain rule. Everybody remember this concept. So here observe, this is equation 1. We have to differentiate with respect to x. How much we are obtaining? 1 by y dy by dx. In right, this is in product format. दीटा फंक्शन गुणी ହେଇକି ଅଛନ୍ତି, product ହେଇକି ଅଛନ୍ତି. तो हम फास्ट फंक्शन को रखिबा सेकंड रो डेरिवेटिव प्लस सेकंड को रखिबा फास्ट रो डेरिवेटिव. तो ये राइट साइड को सिंप्लीफाई करले हम केते पाउचंती दिस क्वांटिटी हमको मिलुची. ओके, लेफ्ट साइड रे कोन अछि 1 by y dy by dx. हमको कोन दरकार dy by dx. तो कोन होबो ए y एठी मल्टीप्लाई हे जबो. देन रिमेनिंग टर्म एठी जा अछि पूराटा को कॉपी करि देकी लिखिबार अछि. ओके, नेक्स्ट y रो वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करियार अछि. नेक्स्ट कोन करा हबो y मल्टीप्लाई हे गछि y रो वैल्यू केते sin x to the power cos x. Then remaining term cot x into cos x minus sin x log sin x. Getting? So this is the final answer. Let's solve one more problem. Here the question is, everyone observe. Here the question is y is equal to x to the power cos inverse x. तो एठी कोन ऑब्जर्व करछन एटा उटे फंक्शन ऑफ x, एटा उटे फंक्शन ऑफ दैट मींस को फॉर्मेट रे अछि f of x to the power g of x. तो जतोले गुटे फंक्शन ऑफ आवर फंक्शन थिबो हम माइंड को फास्ट थॉट आसीबा दरकार कि एटा लॉगरिथमिक डिफरेंशिएशन यूज होबो. ओके, सो लेट्स टेक log both side. Taking log both side, how much we are getting? Log of x to the power cos inverse x. From the property of log, this will come to left. Cos inverse x log x. Okay, now go for differentiation with respect to x. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, equation 1 we get how much पाउचंती कोई सारची log y रो केते 1 by y dy by dx. from chain rule राइट साइड रे कोन प्रोडक्ट रूल अप्लाई हबो. फर्स्ट फंक्शन को रखिले सेकंड रो डेरिवेटिव log x रो डेरिवेटिव 1 by x प्लस सेकंड को रखिले फर्स्ट रो डेरिवेटिव केते cos इनवर्स x रो -1 by square root of 1 minus x square. Getting? So dy by dx will be how much? Y whole into cos inverse x by x minus log x by 1 minus x square or root over. Okay, so dy by dx will be, put the value of y, how much? X to the power sin inverse x, sorry, x to the power cos inverse x. Then write this term. This will be our answer. Getting everyone? Then one can take common LCM as well. LCM will be x into square root of 1 minus x square, then solve. Okay, so let's solve one more problem. Here everyone observe. Question is y is equal to 1 minus x square root over 2x minus 3 रो power 1 by 2. That means कौन square root अछि एठी. Then divided by x square plus 2 रो power 2 by 3. तो एठी कौन को एटा केस 2 रे आसुछि. एठी कौन दीटा फंक्शन गुणी हेइ गछि आउटा फंक्शन डिवाइड हेइ गछि. जो एई फॉर्मेट रे एठी को एई फॉर्मेट हमको कौन कहउछि कि बहुत दुटा फंक्शन गुणी हेइ कि थिबो न्यूमरेटर रे डिनोमिनेटर रे बहुत दुटा फंक्शन गुणी हेइ थिबो बट डिवाइड हेइ थिबो दीटा. तो देन एठी कौन होबो सेम रूल वी हैव टू टेक द log. तो log नेला पर एठी कौन हेइ जिवो log नेला पर हमको कौन मिलिबो लेफ्ट साइड रे log y, राइट रे कौन होबो log ऑफ द होल फंक्शन. ओके, तो एठी ऑब्जर्व करो समझते हमर log रे गुटे प्रॉपर्टी अछि दैट लेट्स से log a into b by c अछि. तो दिस कैन बी रिटन एज log a into b minus log c, and log a into b can be written as log a plus log b minus log c. Okay, everybody just apply this concept here. So here dita function guna hai ki achi, so log this plus log this, okay, minus log this, and power kon hobo left side को पळे आसीबो. Okay, so आसिला फाइनली हमें कोन एठी पाइबा half into log 1 minus x square, half plus half into log 2x minus 3. This will be minus. Everyone rectify this mistake. Here it will be minus because it is in denominator. Minus 2 by 3 log of x square plus 2. So then go for this will be, and in left side this will be log y. Okay, now differentiate with respect to x. How much we are getting? 1 by y left side dy by dx. Right रे देखो एटा constant बाहर को पळेबो. एठी log थिले 1 by this much into derivative of 1 minus x square, that is minus 2x. 1 by 2 constant बाहर को पळेबो. 1 by 2x minus 3 into derivative of 2x minus 3, that is 2. Here 2 will cancel out. Minus 2 by 3 constant बाहर को पळेबो into 1 by x square plus 2, then derivative of x square plus 2, that is 2x. Okay, on simplification, how much we are getting? Dy by dx. Here y will be multiplied here, and I have written the value of y. Then to simplify this term, how much we are obtaining? Minus 2 will cancel out, minus x by 1 minus x square. Here 2 will cancel out, 1 by 2x minus 3. And last one, put minus sign here. 2 into 2x 4x divided by 3 whole into x square plus 2, and here function will be multiplied. Okay, getting everyone? Let's solve few more problem from the exercise. Here the question is y is equal to x to the power x. This is a function of x, this is a function of x. That means function to the power function, or one can say variable to the power variable. So the case 1 le asuchi, so we will go for logarithmic differentiation. Okay, this problem I have taken from 7F, exercise 7F from element book. Okay, our first step will be take log both sides. How much we are getting? Log x to the power x. This will be equal to this, x will come to the left, x log x. Okay, now differentiating both sides with respect to x. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. So how much we are getting? 1 by y dy by dx. Everybody getting how the derivative of log y with respect to x is 1 by y dy by dx. This is from chain rule. And in the right, this is two functions are multiplied. Go for product theorem. Keep first function and derivative of second, plus keep second function derivative of first, that is 1. So x will cancel out. In right, 1 plus log x. Okay, so in left, dy by dx, y will be multiplied here, y whole into 1 plus log x. So dy by dx will be, put the value of y, that is x to the power x of, this will be x to the power x of 1 plus log x. So this will be our derivative. Getting everyone? So finally we have to substitute the value of y. Solve one more problem. Here the problem is y is equal to 1 plus 1 by x to the power x. Eta gote function of x, eta gote function of x. Format kono? F of x to the power g of x. Then case 1. Then we will go for logarithmic differentiation. Take log y is equal to, x will come to the left, log of 1 plus 1 by x. Okay, then differentiating both sides with respect to x, we are getting 1 by y dy by dx is equal to how much? Keep second, derivative of first, that is 1, plus x into derivative of second, that is 1 by 1 plus 1 by x, into derivative of this. 1 lo derivative 0, 1 by x lo derivative minus 1 by x square. Okay, now simplify. 1 by y dy by dx is equal to, this will be log of 1 plus 1 by x, plus simplify this one, x into, this x will go off, x by x plus 1 whole into minus 1 by x square. This x square will cancel out. So remaining term will be log of 1 plus 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 1. Getting everyone? So now dy by dx will be y whole into log of 1 plus 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 1. Okay, now put the value of y in place of y. Okay, now replace value of y, 1 plus 1 by x to the power x whole into log of 1 plus 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 1. Getting? This is our final answer. Let's solve one more problem. Here the question is y is equal to log x to the power sin x. So function of our function achi, we will go for logarithmic differentiation. Take log both sides. Here this will be, this power will come to the left after taking log. So log of log x. Okay. So now differentiating both sides with respect to x. How much we are getting? 1 by y dy by dy dx in the left. In the right, this is in product form. So go for derivative. Keep 10x and derivative of second, that is 1 by log x. Log of log x, first with respect to log x, again log x with respect to x. So this will be 1 by log x into derivative of log x, 1 with respect to x, 1 by x, plus keep second, go for first derivative of 10 sec square x. Okay, in left 1 by y dy by dx, in right just simplify this one, 10x by x log x. Okay, plus sec square x, first right log of log x into sec square x. Okay, now dy by dx will be y into, write this quantity here and put the value of y, that is log x to the power 10x, and keep this whole term within the bracket. Getting? So this is the solution for question number 4. Then go for one more question. Here the question is y is equal to x to the power 1 by x plus sin x to the power x. आगुरी या पूर्व हम कौन पढ़ते केवल गोटे फंक्शन थिला, बट एबे कौन ऑब्जर्व करछुनी तीटा फंक्शन मिसी के ही अछि, बट इंडिविजुअल फंक्शन ऑफ पावर फंक्शन फॉर्मेट रे अछि. तो कौन करिबा एठी, लेट्स से दिस इज इक्वल टू u, लेट्स से दिस इज इक्वल टू v. गेटिंग? सो जदि y इज इक्वल टू u प्लस v फॉर्मेट रे थांता तो dy by dx केते होतला, du by dx प्लस dv by dx. अच्छा, दी दीटा फंक्शन मिसिक अछंती, हम जानचंती सेमानकर इंडिविजुअल डेरिवेटिव काढी हम ऐड कर दो. एठी भी सेम फॉर्मेट, तो दी जण ऐड हे के अछंती, दी जण डेरिवेटिव काढी की ऐड कर दो. बट यार डेरिवेटिव इंडिविजुअल डेरिवेटिव केमिति काढबा, विथ द हेल्प ऑफ लॉगरिथमिक डिफरेंशिएशन. सो फर्स्ट dy find dy by dx and then find dv by dx, then add them. Okay, so from equation 1 means after finding we have to put in equation 1. So now find dy u is equal to how much, x to the power 1 by x. So take log u is equal to 1 by x log x. So differentiate both sides with respect to x, 1 by u du by dx from chain rule. For this one, keep first derivative of second plus keep second derivative of first. So take common 1 by x square, 1 minus log x. Getting everyone? Then dy by du by dx will be u into 1 minus log x by x square. So this is equal to, replace value of u, x to the power 1 by x whole into 1 minus log x by x square. Everyone observe here, when no base is written means always take base e. Okay, so for the second integral, that is for for the second derivative, v is equal to how much? Sin x to the power x, take log x log sin x. So differentiate both sides with respect to x, 1 by v dv by dx. In right derivative of first, keep second, plus keep first derivative of second, that is 1 by sin x into cos x. On simplification, v into dv by dx will be equal to v into log sin x plus x cot x. Getting? So dv by dx will be how much? Value of v, sin x to the power x into log sin x plus x cot x. Okay, so this is the value of dv by dx and this is the value of du by dx. So amku kon darkar? We want dy by dx. amku कार value darkar? dy by dx. From equation 1, dy by dx will be, just put the value of du by dx and dv by dx is how much? X to the power 1 by x whole into 1 minus log x by x square plus sin x to the power x whole into log sin x plus x cot x. This is our final answer. तो जतले दीटा फंक्शन ऐड हेकी थिबो बट इंडिविजुअल फंक्शन ला पावर फंक्शन थिबो सेतले हम कोन करबे इंडिविजुअल कर डेरिवेटिव काटी मिसे दबा. दैट्स इट. ओके, गेटिंग एवरीवन. सो लेट्स मूव फॉर द क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. Here the question is y is equal to cos x to the power x and x plus x to the power cos x. The rule is same. Let's say this one u, let's say this one v. अतः dy by dx will be how much? du by dx plus dv by dx. एटी कौन करिया पड़िबो? यार डेरिवेटिव इंडिविजुअली काढिबा, दैट इज du by dx and dv by dx काढी के कौन करिबा? दी जन को ऐड कर दबा. गेटिंग एवरीवन. सो दिस क्वेश्चन आई एम लीविंग फॉर यू एज असाइनमेंट, सो डू इट from your side. Okay, here the question is question number 11. Y is equal to x square plus 1 to the power 2 by 3 into 3x plus 1 to the power 1 by 4 and into root x. Root x can be written as x to the power half, that I have written here. Okay, so now what we are observing, एटी कौन है? बहुत गुड़ा फंक्शन गुणी है. Number of function are multiplied together. To simplify this question, we will go for logarithmic differentiation. So take log both sides. Log y in left, in right how much we are getting? Log of whole function you write here. Then on simplification, as I have told, this power will come to the left. So 2 by 3 from the property of log. And here multiplication, plus will come out. So 1 by 4 log of 3x plus 1 plus 1 by 2 log of x. Getting in left, this will be log y. So now go for differentiating both sides with respect to x. Okay, now differentiate. Is it visible to everyone? Yes. Okay, now differentiate with respect to x. How much we are getting in the left? 1 by y dy by dx. In the right, 2 by 3 of into 1 by x square plus 1 into 2x, that is derivative of x square plus 1 plus 1 by 4 into 1 by 3x plus 1 into derivative of this quantity, that is 3 plus 1 by 2 into derivative of log x, 1 by x, again derivative of x, 1. Getting? So dy by dx will be y whole into, just simplify, 4x by 3 whole into x square plus 1 plus 3 by 4 whole into 3x plus 1 plus 1 by 2x. Okay, now put the value of y, that is cos x to the power x plus x to the power 1 minute. Now that value of y will be the whole function you write, that is the value of y is equal to x square plus 1 to the power 2 by 3, 3x plus 1 to the power 1 by 4 into x to the power, that is root x, and rewrite this term here. So this is the complete solution of our question. Okay, let's solve question number 12. Dear student, solve the question number 12. Here the question is y is equal to x plus 1 into x plus 2 to the power 2 into x plus 3 to the power 3 divided by x minus 1 into x minus 2 to the power 2 into x minus 3 to the power 3. Okay, so this is a standard format of case 2. That means बहुत गुड़ा function गुणी एक थिवो, then बहुत गुड़ा function divide एक थिवो. तो सही हमें कौन again will go for logarithmic differentiation. हमर एटी कौन अछि कि जो log रो property log a into b by log c into d कौन हुए log a ऊपर जो दिटा प्रोडक्ट हेगी अछि कौन मिस ऐड हेगी आसीबो हर एक थिले माइनस साइन बाहर पळे आसीबो log a plus log b minus log c minus log d. So take log both side here. After taking log, in left side we are getting log y. In right side, take log of the whole function. Then how much we are obtaining? Log x plus 1. Power left side को पळे आसीबो plus 2 log x plus 2 plus 3 log x plus 3. तापरे minus log of x minus 1. 2 left side को आसीबो minus 2 log x minus 2 minus 3 log x minus 3. Now go for differentiation, that is differentiating both sides with respect to x. So 1 by y dy by dx will be how much? Differentiation of this quantity will be 1 by x plus 1 plus 2 by x plus 2 plus 3 by x plus 3. जेहेतु सब क्वांटिटी टा लिनियर आ तार डेरिवेटिव कले 1 होबो minus 1 by x minus 1 minus 2 by x minus 2 minus 3 by x minus 3. Getting? So this is the derivative. So dy by dx will be how much? Y whole into, write the whole quantity here, then put the value of y, that is x plus 1 whole into x plus 2 to the power 2 into x plus 3 to the power 3 divided by x minus 1, x minus 2 to the power 2, x minus 3 to the power 3, then write the whole quantity, this quantity here. So this will be our final answer. Getting everyone? For other question I am explaining. So for question number 13, एट कौन अच्छी कि बहुत गुड़ा फंक्शन गुणा ही अच्छे तो लॉग नहीं कि आम इंडिविजुअल डिफरेंशिएशन करिबा देन ए फंक्शन मल्टीप्लाई हेबो. एठी भी सेमिति लॉग नहीं कि डिफरेंशिएट करिया पड़ो. क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 ले भी लॉग नहीं कि डिफरेंशिएट करिबा पड़ो. Dear student, maximum of the problem from exercise 7F I have solved from my side. Rest of the question you try from your side. If you are facing any doubts, then comment in the comment box. Then I will go for one more video on the doubt question. Right? Okay. So let's stop the today's class here. If you guys are enjoying videos in my channel, then like, share, and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified on latest video. Okay, dear student. So let's stop here. Vande Mataram. Jai Hind.